Previously on the winning team.
War 223, 2-0 lead, All-Star 0, Underdogs 2. I for lead, the title will be ours, All-Star 0, Underdogs 2. The winning team, Season 4, Issue 7. The current bracket is down below. Underdogs versus the All-Stars, the Underdogs leading 2-0, and the Red Dogs versus the Bucks, Red Dogs leading 2-0. The current bracket is down below. Underdogs versus the All-Stars, the Underdogs leading 2-0, and the Red Dogs versus the Bucks, Red Dogs leading 2-0. The Boom, hey, where's my puck? E Shadow X, I don't know. W Joshua 2, let's get the W. Underdogs 0, All-Stars 0. It scores! The Master, yeah! Underdogs 1, All-Stars 0. Smelly Dude 101, come on, another. Underdogs 1, All-Stars 0. Score! Smelly Dude 909, alright. Underdogs 2, All-Stars 0. Ultra God, let's keep it going. Underdogs 2, All-Stars 0. Score! The CPU Nerd, we are on fire. Underdogs 3, All-Stars 0. The Boom, 4-goal period. Underdogs 3, All-Stars 0. Saved! E Shadow X, no! Underdogs 3, All-Stars 0. Rolls, gotta get one. Underdogs 3, All-Stars 0. Saved! Ninja Master, yes! Underdogs 3, All-Stars 0. That concludes the first period. The score is 3-0 Underdogs. Second period after the intermission report. Welcome back to the game. The second period is underway. Underdogs 3, All-Stars 0. The CPU Nerd, let's score again. Underdogs 3, All-Stars 0. He scores! Ultra God, wow. Underdogs 4, All-Stars 0. The Master, let's go! Underdogs 4, All-Stars 0. Score! W Joshua 2, 5-0 already. Underdogs 5, All-Stars 0. Sailor Fan, got to do something. Underdogs 5, All-Stars 0. J.O. saves it. Chairwork, yes. Underdogs 5, All-Stars 0. Sailor Fan, rebound shot. Underdogs 5, All-Stars 0. J.O. saves it. Chairwork, awesome. Underdogs 5, All-Stars 0. That concludes the second period. The score is 5-0 Underdogs. Stay tuned for the third period after the intermission report. Welcome back to the game. The third period is underway. Underdogs 5, All-Stars 0. War 223, let's make it 6. Underdogs 5, All-Stars 0. Score! I believe, yes. Underdogs 6, All-Stars 0. Craftmaster, break up the shutout. Underdogs 6, All-Stars 0. What a stop! Ninja Master, alright. Underdogs 6, All-Stars 0. Craftmaster, need one. Underdog 6, All-Stars 0. Score! Ninja Master, damn it. Underdog 6, All-Stars 1. And they don't stop coming, and they don't stop coming, and they don't stop coming, and they don't stop coming. Smelly Dude 909, would like one. Underdog 6, All-Stars 1. Scores! Smelly Dude 101. 6-goal game again. Underdog 7, All-Stars 1. Craftmaster, dang it, down 3-0. Underdog 7, All-Stars 1. Crazy Master, we won. Underdog 7, All-Stars 1. War 223, 3-0 lead. Underdog 7, All-Stars 1. I for lead, the title will be ours. Underdog 7, All-Stars 1. That concludes the game. The Underdogs win 7-1 to lead the series 3-0. Thanks for watching. The post-game show is next. Will the Underdogs advance? Find out in Issue 8, to be continued.
If you like this video, then go ahead and hit the like button. Also, let your voices be heard by commenting down below. One more thing, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell, so you'll get notified for every single video I post. I'll see you in the next video.